Hi guys. Okay, so I'm showing you some squishies that I fixed a little bit and painted. I actually was inspired to paint these squishies that I got and fix them by Moriah Elizabeth. She's a YouTuber that I'm subscribed to. This is what her channel looks like. But I was watching some of her videos, and then we went to the store and got some squishies and some paint, specific kind of paint to paint them. And I decided that I was going to paint these squishies. I only have 3. I'm actually working on 2 more right now, but I decided I was going to do this. So now let me show you the squishies. I'm going to go from the smallest one to the biggest one. Okay. So I have this one, which was I actually didn't buy this one from the store. I got it from my cousin's birthday party. It was a Frozen themed squishy. It was like one of those like ones that you just like buy in like a big bag for like goodie bags and stuff like that. So it was one of those. So it was like the paint was peeling and everything. There was actually a little like hook right here that I removed and filled. But Moriah Elizabeth on her channel, she like tells you like what kind of paint she uses and everything. And I thought that was really cool. So I made this one. It's meant to be a cookie with frosting and sprinkles on it. I also learned how to make these sprinkles from Moriah Elizabeth, from one of her videos. So, yeah. Okay. Now on to the next one. The next one is a smushy mushy animal that I got from a toy. And I repainted the squishy because the little hook piece was coming off. So I reattached that and painted over it and stuff. And I painted the thing, and I completely redid the bow. I painted it, and I even used some puffy fabric paint to make the little drizzle and some more sprinkles. So this is the second one that I made. Now for the biggest and final one is this cake roll. Moriah Elizabeth, I'm pretty sure, did one of like a cake roll like this in one of her videos. But yeah, it was pink before, and it didn't have a drizzle on top. But I painted it to be chocolate instead, and I redid the filling inside of it. I was going to use puffy paint, but then I decided to make the drizzle on the top and put sprinkles on it. So, yeah. Now I'm going to show you the ones that I started working on, but I haven't finished yet. So, There's this one, which is a ice cream with chocolate, strawberry, vanilla on it. I think this squishy was like $1 or $2. I don't know. But I didn't really like the color of the cone, and the colors on the ice cream were a little dull, so I redid them. The only thing that's not finished about this is that the pink isn't dry, and it might need another coat. But that's because the first time I did that, I made the pink way too light, so it didn't show up. And then there's this one, which is a pretzel that I actually brought to school once, and I let someone play with it, and they put a huge rip in it. That's where the white spots are there because I'm fixing it. And then I'm probably going to change it into like a cake or something. I don't know exactly yet. But those are the squishies that I made. Sorry that my hand was in the way there. I was sitting my phone back down. So here they are. So yeah. That's it. I'm actually planning on making some dresses for some Barbie dolls. So if you want me to make a video of that, just tell me in the comments. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and comment. Also, if you have any ideas for the squishy that used to be a pretzel, you can also tell me in the comments. Because I really have no idea what I'm going to do with that one. But